Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good as well.
Okay, so tell us about your experience when you saw your child performing today.
So today, my child Naksh, has performed for the first time in his life on the stage, and the experience was thrilling. I really commend the teachers and everybody who had taken part in the annual function, and they made this a success. They have handled people, the different kids with different temperaments, and it has been a great thing. I saw my child got the confidence, and I'm just happy and thrilled that he was able to perform for the first time on the stage. So that is my feeling.
That's lovely to hear. And what are the other activities that you liked in the entire year?
So for me, I kept him in Jumpstart because I'm a working mom, and I wanted my kid to have a 360 experience, and to learn more things, to interact with different kids, and to know how the world outside is. Jumpstart has not at all failed me in this. I have seen the teachers and the caretakers who are taking the utmost care of my child. I keep them, when I keep my child, I have the trust and faith that he will be a he will be in a perfect safe place. And the activities, they share us the photos, the videos, and he learns new things every day. So that is the most important thing for me.
What has been the greatest change in your child's life because of Jumpstart?
I kept him when he was around 2 years of age in the learning center, and he has started to eat everything on his own, and he has started to explore not only the foods, but he understands the colors, the shapes of the, and he also understands everything and plays with them, and he has started to interact more with people. And the most important thing is the confidence that he has got.
That's lovely. And what is one thing that Jumpstart is best at?
Jumpstart is best at, first of all, at trust, the trust factor. The caretakers, the teachers are so good, and the most important thing for a parent is the security of a child. So that thing is something that I would give 200 marks to Jumpstart if I were the person to give. And the other thing is the phase-wise learning, and they understand the child, the mood of the child, and then they act accordingly. So that is the best thing for
Thank
Jumpstart.
you so much. And one last question. If your child could describe Jumpstart in one word, what would it be?
It's a Jumpstart. That's the word, because it gives the child the necessary mileage to jump and to start and go into the world after the pre-prep schooling. So I would recommend the parents of other kids to also try Jumpstart. Thank you. Thank
Oh, thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you.